Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of DeskDirector's many features in about a minute. In this video, we will talk about DeskDirector Desktop Portal version 5. Version 5 of the DeskDirector desktop app was released in early 2022. It can be downloaded via the admin console, then go to Portal and Desktop Installer. What's new in version 5? The major update is the DeskDirector Tech Portal version of the desktop app. What is the difference between version 4 and version 5? Versions 2 to 4 used Electron, while version 5 is built on Microsoft's WebView 2, which uses Chromium and C#.NET. WebView 2 offers better security compared to Electron. How to specify branding for version 5? Unlike version 4, where branding was pre-built into the installer, version 5 lets you customize branding. The logo, favicon, and portal title via the app-settings.json before installation. Can I still use version 4? No, version 4 has been fully deprecated and is no longer supported or available for download. Users are strongly encouraged to use version 5 or later versions exclusively. Deploying version 5 to multiple machines. A PowerShell script is available to help deploy version 5 seamlessly across multiple machines. That is DeskDirector Desktop Portal version 5. Thank you for watching today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.